Picture this. Almost 3/4 of SUV owners are kicking themselves with buyer's remorse within just 2 years. Sounds wild, doesn't it? You pour thousands into what you think is the perfect ride, only to be slammed with unexpected repair bills, abysmal fuel economy, or a vehicle that just can't handle the long haul. That's precisely why the pros at Consumer Reports put over 70 different SUVs through the ringer. And trust me, what they uncovered was absolutely mind-blowing. Out of that massive lineup, a mere 7 models cracked an 85 or higher on their Bulletproof reliability scale. That kind of score means your SUV isn't just a daily driver. It's a trusty companion engineered to effortlessly cruise past 200,000 miles. But here's the real shocker. One of these nearly flawless SUVs demands less than $50 a year for upkeep. No, that's not a typo. We're talking less than what most cars cost for one oil change. So whether you're eyeing a new SUV in the near future or just want to confirm you haven't already made a money-draining mistake, stick with us, because missing this video could quite literally save you thousands in future repair bills. Ready? Let's roll. Alright, let's start with an unexpected champion that completely floored the veteran reviewers at Consumer Reports, the Subaru Forester. When this compact SUV tackled their rigorous reliability tests, it soared to an impressive 86 out of 100. That immediately launched it into the elite ranks of its class. We're talking top-tier performance. But what truly makes the Forester shine, it comes with standard all-wheel drive, not as some pricey optional extra, but baked right into every single trim level. And this isn't just for looks. This system tackles snow, sloshing rain, and even gnarly back roads with more confidence than some SUVs costing 10 grand more. Now, you'd probably expect all that grip to tank your gas mileage, right? Think again. The Forester still pulls off a remarkable 26 mpg in urban traffic and a solid 33 on the open highway. Those are figures you'd associate with a nimble sedan, not a rugged SUV engineered to conquer the elements. And the perks don't stop there. Subaru generously includes its advanced eyesight safety system as standard equipment, a feature many competitors tuck away behind expensive premium packages. Essentially, your Forester has an extra set of digital eyes on the road, offering a crucial layer of protection even if your attention drifts for a moment. Bottom line, the Forester arms you with bad weather confidence, stellar fuel economy, and integrated safety tech, all while keeping your bank account happy. Ready for a vehicle renowned for its legendary staying power? Let's keep rolling. If the Forester impressed you, just wait until you see the SUV that's not only shattering records for fuel efficiency, but also for its mind-boggling long-term durability. Ever wished for an SUV that's undeniably tough without feeling like you're driving a lumbering truck? The Honda Passport perfectly nails that sweet spot. Think of it as the no-nonsense 5-seater sibling to the Honda Pilot, but packed with extra attitude and zero compromises. Consumer Reports showered it with top scores for both reliability and owner satisfaction. And everyday drivers, they're enthusiastically confirming this is one of the best-kept secrets in the entire SUV universe. What sets the Passport apart? Pop the hood and you'll find a robust 280 horsepower V6. It delivers smooth, confident power, sidestepping the complex maintenance issues often associated with turbocharged setups. Despite being a capable mid-size SUV, it still sips fuel, delivering an average of 25 miles per gallon on the highway, quite respectable for its size and versatility. Inside, the Passport boasts generous space for both passengers and all your adventure gear. Plus, its controls are refreshingly straightforward. No overly complicated tech gadgets destined to glitch out after a year. And Honda's legendary build quality truly shines through here. Many owners are confidently piloting their Passports far beyond 200,000 miles with hardly a hitch, a testament to Honda's relentless focus on durability and real-world practicality. So, tough, practical, and engineered for the long haul. But coming up next is a luxury SUV that effortlessly outshines its rivals without ever punishing your wallet on maintenance. Now let's dive into true luxury, but without the typical headaches that come with the premium badge. The Lexus RX is that rare gem, a vehicle that feels incredibly high-end, yet never leaves you weeping at the repair shop. In fact, it's consistently dominated Consumer Reports' reliability rankings for over a decade, proving its exceptional value over the long term. What's the secret sauce? As Toyota's luxury division, Lexus infuses that same bulletproof engineering into every RX, then wraps it in sumptuous materials, provides an impossibly quiet cabin, and outfits it with intuitive tech that simply works. The RX 350 treats you to a silken V6 engine, while the RX Hybrid variant pushes fuel efficiency past a jaw-dropping 30 miles per gallon, a figure almost unheard of in the luxury SUV arena. It's not just about the ride quality either. The RX maintains its resale value with remarkable tenacity, a truly uncommon feat in the premium segment. Its maintenance costs are dramatically lower than its German competitors, and it cleverly avoids the common pitfalls of complex turbocharging systems and over-engineered electronics that notoriously fail once the warranty expires. If you crave a luxury SUV that won't morph into a financial black hole after 50,000 miles, the Lexus RX is without a doubt one of the smartest choices you can possibly make. Luxury without the wallet drain? Absolutely. But if you're looking for an SUV that seamlessly blends premium features with incredible real-world value, prepare yourself, because the next one is a total game changer. All right, here's a name that's been grabbing headlines for all the right reasons: the Kia Telluride. Once seen as a budget-focused brand, Kia has executed a complete 180, and the Telluride is the undisputed proof. With an impressive 85 out of 100 rating from J.D. Power and a flawless 5-star reliability score from Consumer Reports, this SUV isn't just good, it's absolutely dominating its competition. And I'm not just talking about the mainstream players. The Telluride is confidently going toe-to-toe with German luxury SUVs that demand nearly double the price, and it's emerging victorious. For roughly $37,000, you're getting exquisite premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and a cabin that feels less like a family hauler and more like a high-end lounge. These are features you'd typically expect to shell out $55,000 or more in a Mercedes or BMW. Yet, the Telluride delivers them, often with superior reliability. This isn't just internet buzz either. Kelley Blue Book proudly named it their, quote, best buy, simply confirming what thousands of savvy shoppers already know: this SUV is a total game changer. What's even astonishing? Used Tellurides are retaining their value like seasoned luxury icons, with prices for well-loved models often not far behind brand new ones. And that 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, it's the longest in the entire industry, offering not just a fantastic drive, but genuine peace of mind stretching for years to come. Bottom line, if you demand luxury-level comfort, bulletproof reliability, and significant long-term savings, the Telluride is easily one of the smartest SUV purchases available today. Think that's a luxury bargain? What's coming next packs premium features into a surprisingly affordable and utterly dependable package. If you believe it's genuinely impossible to achieve both expansive space and exceptional fuel efficiency in a single SUV, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid is here to shatter that misconception. This isn't merely a reliable family hauler, it's part of an ultra-exclusive club that fewer than 2% of all vehicles ever manage to join. We're talking about a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability score from Consumer Reports. Most three-row SUVs force families into agonizing choices. Do you prioritize room for everyone, or do you opt for decent gas mileage? But the Highlander Hybrid simply says, why not have both? It delivers a truly astonishing 36 miles per gallon combined, which translates to over $800 in annual fuel savings for the average family. That's serious cash staying firmly in your pocket. And we're not just talking about short-term savings. The Highlander is rigorously engineered to cover vast distances, with countless owners reporting 15-plus years and well over 250,000 miles of absolutely smooth, trouble-free driving. This is the kind of SUV that families affectionately pass down through generations rather than trading in. Even better, it scored another perfect 5 out of 5 in owner satisfaction, meaning the people who buy it genuinely adore owning it. No buyer's remorse, no unexpected issues, just a vehicle that consistently excels on every single level. So, if you're searching for an unflappably dependable SUV that saves you money, lasts for decades, and keeps your entire crew comfortable, the Highlander Hybrid might just be your forever vehicle. A perfect score is incredibly impressive, but wait until you see the SUV that's taking on luxury giants and coming out on top. If you're on the hunt for that perfect sweet spot between a true luxury feel and bulletproof everyday reliability, the Acura RDX delivers a package that is seriously underrated. Backed by Honda's sterling reputation for long-term dependability, the RDX masterfully combines premium comfort with the kind of mechanical confidence that many other luxury SUVs simply can't match. Under the hood, it's powered by a spirited turbocharged 2.0-liter engine that punches out a robust 272 horsepower. That's plenty of zest for your daily commute and weekend adventures, all without sacrificing fuel economy. You're looking at an impressive 28 miles per gallon on the highway, which is surprisingly strong for a luxury crossover with this much power. Inside, the RDX truly spoils you with features like plush leather seating, a panoramic moonroof, and Acura's advanced safety technology, all included as standard. You won't find these buried in overpriced upgrade packages, unlike some German rivals. Furthermore, Consumer Reports consistently gives the RDX high marks for reliability, and owners routinely report enjoying 10-plus years of low-stress ownership with minimal repair bills. One defining characteristic that truly sets the RDX apart is its exceptional resistance to depreciation. While many luxury SUVs shed value at an alarming rate, the RDX holds its ground admirably thanks to its solid resale reputation and its deep connection to Honda's legendary engineering DNA. So, if you crave that upscale experience without the high-maintenance headaches, the Acura RDX offers premium performance, indulgent comfort, and long-term savings, all wrapped up in one incredibly smart package. Reliable luxury is great, but how about an SUV that delivers performance numbers most rivals can't even touch? Here's something you don't hear every day: an SUV that's both powerful and insanely reliable. That's the ingenious magic of the Mazda CX-5. While most automakers try to force you into choosing between exhilarating performance and unwavering dependability, Mazda simply asked, why not have both? And the brilliant result is a compact SUV that's quietly blowing away the competition with its available 256 horsepower turbocharged engine. The CX-5 delivers serious, grin-inducing punch, enough to thoroughly embarrass so-called performance SUVs that cost thousands more. But unlike those badge-heavy luxury models, this one doesn't fall apart after 60,000 miles. In fact, Consumer Reports and real-world mechanics consistently report these road warriors sailing past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine basic maintenance. And speaking of maintenance, here's where the CX-5 truly earns its stripes. The average owner spends a mere $447 a year on upkeep, which is nearly $200 less than the segment average. That's not just good, it's a game changer. Even with all that turbocharged power, the CX-5 still manages to hit an impressive 31 miles per gallon on the highway, giving you the absolute best of both worlds: muscle when you demand it and efficiency when you desire it. In a world full of compromises, the Mazda CX-5 proudly proves you truly can have it all: power, precision, and profound peace of mind. Fast, fuel-efficient, and long-lasting? Check, check, and check. But next, we're diving into an SUV that's redefining long-term value in a monumental way. If you're looking for an undeniably smart, long-term investment in an SUV, the Toyota RAV4 absolutely must be at the very top of your list. While most SUVs lose nearly half their value in a mere 5 years, the RAV4 astonishingly clutches onto a solid 61% of its original worth. That's not just above average, it's truly exceptional, especially in today's unpredictable market. And it's not just a wise investment, it's also incredibly affordable right out of the gate, with prices starting around $28,000. The RAV4 provides a brilliantly well-rounded SUV that's easy and economical to own from day one. Whether you're tackling your daily commute, hauling gear for a hobby, or embarking on spontaneous weekend trips, this vehicle is ready for anything. You also get up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, which means you're consistently saving money at the pump while still enjoying ample room for both cargo and passengers. It's practical without ever feeling dull. And here's a crucial detail most people completely overlook. Toyota ingeniously uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt in the RAV4. This matters more than you might realize. Timing chains are engineered to last the entire lifespan of the vehicle, whereas belts require costly replacement every few years. That's one more hidden expense you'll never have to worry about with the RAV4. In short, the RAV4 delivers significant long-term savings, rock-solid dependability, and effortless daily driving comfort, all meticulously wrapped up in a package that steadfastly retains its value year after year. It's no wonder so many buyers return for another one. Impressive fuel economy and resale value, no doubt. But the final SUV on this list takes cost-effective ownership to a whole new, unbelievable level. At the absolute pinnacle of our list sits an SUV that's not just reliable, it's almost ridiculously cheap to own. The Honda CR-V has rightfully earned its spot as the ultimate go-to choice for drivers who simply want a hassle-free vehicle that just, well, works. How hassle-free, you ask? Get this. The average owner spends a jaw-dropping $47 a year on maintenance. Now, that is not a typo. You could literally spend more on coffee in a single month than you will keeping this incredible SUV running smoothly for an entire year. So how does Honda achieve this engineering marvel? It all boils down to smart, brilliantly simple engineering. The CR-V is constructed with fewer potential failure points, intelligently designed for easy access to components, and features systems built explicitly for enduring longevity. This isn't one of those over-engineered luxury vehicles that demands a mechanic's attention every time a dashboard light flickers. It's purpose-built to go the distance with minimal fuss and maximum reliability. Mechanics regularly observe these vehicles effortlessly cruising past 200,000 miles, often on original parts, and still running incredibly strong. And even after years on the road, the CR-V steadfastly retains 62 to 70% of its value after 5 years, a feat practically unheard of outside the Toyota lineup. This SUV wasn't designed for quick flips or short leases. It was crafted for long-term ownership, and it handsomely rewards the drivers who commit to it. If you crave ultimate peace of mind, minute maintenance costs, and substantial real savings, the Honda CR-V is the undisputed, no-brainer pick at number 1. So, what do all these exceptional SUVs have in common? They don't just drive well. They're meticulously designed to save you real, hard-earned money. We're talking about vehicles that staunchly hold their value, gracefully sip fuel instead of guzzling it, and deftly avoid the costly, wallet-draining repair bills that accumulate over time. If you found this information helpful, do us a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out one of our other videos. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference, helping us continue creating more content that saves you money and empowers you to make smarter choices on the road. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.